Big ideas. At Oshkosh Truck, we've always been about the big idea. But our strength lies in how we bring these ideas to reality. For 90 years, we've been designing and building vehicles for some of the toughest jobs on Earth. Since 1917, through wars, depression, and prosperity, Oshkosh Truck has been developing big ideas to meet the demand of the most rugged industries of the 20th century. As we neared the 21st century, we began to gather around us a group of first-tier specialty vehicle companies, manufacturers that share our vision, passion, and the innovative spirit to foster that next big idea. At Oshkosh, the power of big ideas comes from the synergy that exists between a family of companies who all design severe-duty products for challenging, mission-critical jobs. When you own a product from the Oshkosh family of companies, you own equipment you can rely on to help you do your job to the best of your ability. Access equipment used mainly in the commercial construction markets are developed and built by Oshkosh through our JLG subsidiary. JLG is a company solely dedicated to supporting the aerial lift and telehandler needs of the construction industry. A defense force can only move as fast as its fuel, food, and munitions. Oshkosh builds the trucks that keep up with the forward battlefield and provide reliability that is paramount in a hostile environment. Oshkosh protects emergency responders, the people who protect us, with state-of-the-art equipment they can rely on in the most difficult of environments and situations. We make the trucks that help build and maintain our world. Concrete hauling, refuse collection, and heavy-duty construction and mining are some of the tough jobs that Oshkosh supports with vehicles, batch plants, compactors, and service vehicles that live up to the rigors of jobs that happen behind the scenes. The lifeblood of Oshkosh Truck is innovation. Oshkosh companies are continuously developing new products for specific severe-duty industries and then adapting them to other products and industries across the organization. Big ideas that enhance mobility, save energy, and increase safety and reliability. Unmanned vehicles for the military are becoming a reality. Terramax is the first entirely autonomous logistics vehicle, technology that could one day take supply convoy drivers out of harm's way. And in the spirit of sharing innovations among our family of companies, we see great things for robotics in other industries as well. Big ideas in manufacturing help us to grow without sacrificing quality. Oshkosh Truck and its subsidiaries are all leaders in their industries, primarily because they build vehicles that can be trusted. New and upgraded facilities, lean initiatives, streamlined production, all promote quality and reliability in industries that require customized vehicles for specialized jobs. Whether we're automating our fabrication processes to improve throughput for our defense products, designing new paint facilities to provide a best-in-class finish to our commercial vehicles, or building entirely new factories to provide municipalities with more timely delivery of their fire apparatus, Oshkosh and its subsidiaries put a premium on upgrading and investing in our manufacturing capabilities. To be a member of the Oshkosh truck family is to be a part of the most elite severe-duty manufacturer on Earth. And to be a user of one of our products is to know that you can rely on a tool that was designed specifically to help you do your job. And when the next big idea comes around that can help you do your job better, safer, or faster, you can rest assured Oshkosh will be at the forefront to bring it to you. Oshkosh Truck and the power of big ideas.